Can't you see it? There's a plane at the front of that. A very fine snot rocket. It's going into that blurry up there. Another way to get off. It's quite a long one. It's getting blurry up here, so took a photo with a cam from out the front. It's a fair size, that one. I have to do a time lapse to try and find out who laid that one. Less planes, they're still spraying us, bastards. There you go. Clear skies otherwise. Now, up here we've got DHL. Now there's with DHL.
I think we will go shopping. Yeah, us going shopping is going to be better. It's supposed to be movie night tonight, so getting lunches would be great. Check stuff. Yeah, I thought I've just said okay, go shopping. Movie night tonight for me, so it makes more sense to go shopping and get lunches. Just the fact that she's here, she was wrong.
Now, in all honesty, I'd have to say that that's probably a very long contrail. It's a very hot day though, but I don't know why it's not dispersing quicker. But it is dispersing. I guess it's a bit cooler up there, but I just wanted to film him anyway, see what he's doing. So yeah, it's probably it is condensation actually, it's a contrail. Which is good news for a change. RAF Airbus military, not spraying. I just want to see it. Oh, good lad.
Why?
There we go, United States Air Force coming at us, spraying.
I took a photo.
Must be in that cloud by now. It was, oh, there he is. There he is, he says. Not spraying up there, though.
What's this? Is that a cloud?
USAF extender. Sprayer. There he is. Not spraying now. Typical clumsy. Oh yeah, up there. Hello, honey. So he's not sprayed over top of us, he's sprayed over Darlington though, in the distance. Let's have a look. There you go, United States Air Force Air Raid. Mainland England again. Nobody gives a shit. That bit's too hard to see. Very hard to see. There we have him. A very wispy day here. There's no wind at ground level. Not even a breeze really. Looks worse up there, doesn't it? Very wispy. A lot of swirls. And over towards the Pennines. There you go, that's a trail over Darlow. United States Air Force again. Now we can see that bit. Oh, no visible sign of him spraying when he got to us anyway. Just there. I won't say it's a cloud dragon because it's still there. So this one is sprayed over this area. United States Air Force Boeing KC-135R or KC-135R USAF code, stayed at 28,000 all the way. What I've seen anyway. Registration is 57-1493. Works out Alpha Echo 0151 and is on Quebec India Delta 207. And it's a Snot rocket. It's a bloody mess. It's to the south and the east. Weird markings.
Tiva's an idiot cat.
I know.
He fucking stands there and then wonders why he has to fight with another cat.
Pretty much the same this way, Wispy. Yeah, that one over there, I know that's the one you're on about. That's the United States Air Force that did that.
The one right down there.
Yeah, that one.
Come on, Dad. I'm emptying the water out now, okay?
Over that way.
Yeah, it was a tabby cat teeth right here. Because Steven doesn't realise if he stands there going, "Roar,"